How to activate Eastwest credit card online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. And in the search bar, search for eastwestbanker.com. It will land you on the official page of Eastwest. Once you are in here, tap on Login Banking at the top right. And then click on Eastwest Online Personal. Well, if you already have your account, you simply need to enter your username and the password of your account and then click on Login. But if you don't have your account, then what you want to do is tap on Sign Me Up. Click on Yes. In this page, you will have to enter your credit card number and also enter the PIN. Once you have entered both, click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, follow the process that is given to you. And then your Eastwest credit card will be activated successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can activate Eastwest credit card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. And thank you for watching it till the end.